free life, we elevate. From the blocks to the views, no more stress. Counting blessings, not the problems, that's progress. Lost some along the way, but the soul feel like free life. Living every day like it's flight. Dropbox. Now the world's my horizon. West London scars, but the vision keep rising. Used to chase the bag heavy, now I chase peace. Therapy in the music, that's the real release. They wanted me trapped in the cycle, no way. Broke the mold, now I'm paving my own lane. Family straight, that's the only thing that matters. Free life, no more climbing up the ladders. I'm ladder with the pain, but the joy louder. Girls wanna owe me, but I'm wiser now. Prouder, different chapter, ink still wet on the story. From the council to the villa, rewriting the glory. Breathe easy, no more looking over shoulder. Free life got me feeling like a soldier. Who won the war, now enjoying the spoils. Central C, elevating, no more toils. Free life, pop, pop smoke, escape the jungle. Brooklyn nightmares turn to dreams. No more struggle. 30 put down, not only shots to celebrations. Living lavish, but the mind's still in meditation. They try to load the spirit, but the smoke rise higher. Different energy, set the block on fire. For the homies watching from above, we gon' shine. Free life, every moment feeling prime, bad vibes at the window, positive only. Haters still talking, but they can't control me. Foreign spots, private flights, that's the way. Free life, no more digging my own grave. Voice of the streets, but the soul liberated. Central and link, now the vision activated. Bow, but it's joy in the sound. Free life, king stats, claim the crown. Free life, chains off, heart open wide. Through the bitter, through the dark, we survive. Now we fly. Free life. Free, free, free. Free life. Free life. Free life. Free life. Free, free, free life. Free mind, no more weights on the chest. Free heart, giving love to the best. Streets talk lessons, now we teach the rest. Different level freedom, put it to the test. Free life, we made it out the maze. Living loud, turning nights into days. Free life, free life, elevate. Yeah. Free life, no looking back. Central smoke, be free. Free life. Free life, yeah. No more chains. Central C, pop smooth. We free now. Free life, yeah.
Sup, chat? We late, but we're here, chat. We late, but we're here.
Finally you broke out the cage.
We late, but we're here, chat. Welcome, PR, Aldin Hunter. I seen you on my phone. Give me a moment to start everything up, chat. What's up, Balta? Welcome to the stream. Let me get started, chat. Let me get started.
But the vision keep rising. Used to chase the bag heavy, now I chase peace. Therapy in the music, that's the real release. They wanted me trapped in the cycle, no way. Broke the mold, now I'm paving my own lane. Family straight, that's the only thing that matters. Free life, no more climbing up the ladders. My ladder with the pain, but the joy louder. Girls wanna owe me, but I'm wiser now prouder. Different chapter, ink still wet on the story. From the council to the villa, rewriting the glory. Breathe easy, no more looking over shoulder. Free life got me feeling like a soldier. Who wanna war, now enjoying the spoils. Central C, elevating no more toes. Free life, pot smoke, escape the jungle. Brooklyn nightmares turn to dreams, no more struggle. 30 put down, now the only shots a celebration. Living lavish, but the mind's still in meditation. They try to knock the spirit, but the smoke rise higher. Different energy, set the block on fire. For the homies watching from above, we gon' shine. Free life, every moment feeling prime, back vibes out the window, positive only. Haters still talking, but they can't control me. Foreign spots, private flights, the wave. Free life, no more digging my own grave.
Free life. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Let me turn out the copyrighted music. Busy day, chat, today. Busy day. Sem, what's popping? Let me clap it up for the gang. Very busy day, chat. Busy in the sense of work and busy in the sense of people be on my nuts today, chat. So I thought, let me get some work done. and then I'll just stream the demo. I gotta build a demo today, chat. I gotta do some client work, and this is another big potential client, so I'm gonna put some time in it, but I thought I might as well build it on stream. Give me a moment, let me play the radio. Here we go. Hunter, we need new music, low key. Low key, we need new music. Someone said it in the chat yesterday, I forgot his name. Chat, how's everybody's Tuesday been? It's Tuesday today or what? Yeah, it's Tuesday, I guess. How's everybody's Tuesday been, chat? Let me open the chat on screen, one moment. Alright. What's up, Sam? How's Amsterdam, Sam? Busy. Well, I guess we were all on that Trap Tuesday today. It was one of those days, Sam. I'ma tell you that. It was one of those days. We made some money, but at the same time, I tell you, more money, more problems, chat, no cap. More money, more problems, chat. I think they said it in, I think one of the actors said it. What's up, Abbas? Yeah, I used GitHub recently, most recently. Nice, Sam. Which one? The history? And did you recover your database, Sam? Chat, Red Bull. Man, Red Bull, this is like day 5, man. Stop playing. It's time, Red Bull. It's time you signed the contract by Monday, chat. Red Bull's got a week to time, man. Stop playing, Red Bull. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. No work trees. I mean, not GitHub. Never heard of work trees, Abbas. I believe a work tree is something in GitHub, right? Well, Aldin, I was reading your messages. I'm just thinking what the best approach would be. Just give me a day, Aldin. Today, I just want to focus on today because, like I said, it's been one of those days. So, let's best just get this day done and over with. And tomorrow I'll set up a different channel with you guys. And let's see if we can get the gaming part ready. I'm only thinking how we can implement it into the business concept of the stream and the grinding concept of the stream. But we'll figure it out. Alright, chat. I don't know if anybody else has been noticing the same problem like me, chat, but I feel like, Sam, it's always business on this channel. It's been business since day one. It's been business since day one, Sam. You can go back to my day one stream, and I encourage everybody who's joining in the latest streams to just check the day one stream, how much of a noob I was and what the initial plans were from there and how we've grown. So it's always business, Sam. I promise you that. I promise you that. Guys, don't make me feel bad. Don't start making me feel bad. Okay, let's lock in, chat. We got work to do. And I wanted to ask you guys, have you guys been noticing the same bullshit like me? That Codex is pretty slow today. And that will probably result in another reset, but I basically have gotten zero work done. I've had to use alternatives. Nah, you gained a good one, chat. I promise you. I promise you. Chat, so much to come, chat. So much to come. Chat, let me also take 2 minutes to talk about the hackathon, chat. I've seen a lot of chatter going on in the hackathon. I've seen a lot of votes coming in. I've been taking the time while I'm doing my work to test each project. Again, I am gonna give my hats off to everybody, whether you're picked as a winner or not. And I'm not saying this just because you participated. I'm saying this just because it really is the truth. Almost every single project can be pushed, and you can get at least 10k users to start with. That's 100%. I've been doing this game 25 years. I can see a good product. I know a good product. So that being said, we've got the voting in from the users chat, and that's fun. Now I'm talking with the judges. We will get the judges to vote tomorrow Hunter's probably gonna do it on his stream chat. We're gonna have the judges, or Hunter's probably gonna do it with a tier list. And then we're gonna bring that information together, and then I think probably Thursday or Friday before the freelance Friday, but probably Thursday, we'll announce the winners. That way, once we announce the winners, we'll probably be able to brief Replit on Friday, and you guys might get hit with credits before the weekend. I'm in talks with Francisco. Everything's on schedule. We just, like I said, it's for the future moving forward, chat, and I think Hunter pointed it out in the Discord. For the future moving forward, before we got another hackathon coming in August, but before I launch that, I'm gonna set up a very good system that we can just go in quicker and get ratings done either the day off or the day after. What's poppin', Andre? Welcome to the stream, Andre. Clap it up for you. It's a good day today, Andre. Just a busy day. One of those days where people be on your nuts and you just gotta plow through it. And busy, just busy. But sometimes in live chat, I've learned the best thing to do is to focus in on one thing if you feel like there's a lot going on, you know what I mean? Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Andre. I learned so much, Andre, during that hackathon, and I'm learning so much after the hackathon as well. I'm learning the community, and I'm learning the rules and all that stuff. But I've learned so much, so the next one's coming up in August. We will have probably way more competitors, so we might have to rethink how we get things done and organize things, but we're working on that. Like I said, chat, today I felt another day of a lot of pressure. And at the end of the day, I got to remind myself, and I think we all got to remind ourselves, is we've got time. And I'm looking to the young ones as well, especially the young ones like Sem, Hunter, the Youngbloods, Aries, Jacob, all those Youngbloods, Phoenix. Shout out to Phoenix, chat, I'll talk about that after. But you guys have more time than me, let's say, or more time than the older homies. What's up, Nathan? Shout out to Nathan. Shout out to Nathan. Well, Nathan, I was just talking about it. So probably tomorrow we're gonna have the votes in from the judges. I'll bring them together with the votes from the viewers. I'm waiting for the votes coming in. I'm gonna get some voting in from Replit. I'm gonna just send them the top projects so I don't overload them with work. And then on Thursday, the latest on Friday, Nathan, but I'm looking at Thursday. But today it's gonna be a work stream, chat. You guys know it. Busy day today, so what do? We just focus in on one thing. Nathan, I must say, and if you've looked around at the voting yourself, Nathan, loads of good projects, man. I'm truly impressed by the level of builds. And actually, chat, I would arguably say to everyone that built the applications, is just get it into the stores and start publishing that shit, because you probably could make more money than you could in the contest, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. What's up, Prime? Welcome to the stream, man. Let me clap it up for Nathan, Prime. How's Canada, Nathan? WOVO. Isn't it OVO, chat? Drake? Isn't it Drake out there, Nathan? Alright, chat, let's get right into it. So, before I go any further, I want to give a big shout out to Phoenix. Now, Phoenix hasn't been in the chat recently, chat, because he's been busy. And that's what I constantly push, is once you get a moment to focus in and to lock in, you'll see. The moment you start making money, chat, you'll find time for more important stuff. And I would argue that I'm not as important. And that's good on Phoenix, because I'm very, very happy that he reached level 1 today on Fiverr, chat. And on Twitter, he posted his earnings, which is a lot where he's from in India. So all I want to say to the kids out there, and I mean kids, I mean the 20-year-olds, the 18-year-olds, the 19-year-olds watching the stream. All I want to say is, if a kid in India can do it without the resources that most of you have gotten, I would say if a kid in India can do it, chat, there's no excuses. Prime, the vlog is coming very soon, man. The vlog is coming very soon. I still got the hard drive here. I just haven't had time to edit it, Prime. I'm really busy, man. But let's get the giveaway done, the clients done, and then we can drop a vlog, chat. Don't worry, a vlog we can drop all the time. And I'm going to Tokyo, chat, in about 20 days. I'll fly to Tokyo. So don't worry, we can vlog. We can vlog all the time. Yeah, Sam, but you should see Sam spinning wheel thingy. Well, PR, I told you yesterday. I don't know if I said it on stream. PR, since yesterday, we got monetized on YouTube. So that being said, since that we got monetized, I've been in contact with a YouTube creator manager, and you learn things and stuff, and they were speaking to me about the spinny wheel thingy, as that's considered gambling. So I said on chat yesterday that I'm going to take a different approach to it. I'm probably going to do a Willy Wonka style thing and just drop a Claude subscription to a random Dollar Vibe Club member every day. I'm just spinning out. I'm just figuring out how the best way is to do it without getting in that gambling thing. Because the moment you get in that gambling category, PR, the big brands don't want to be on your videos, and then you would lose monetization. Free trial, and the app is free to use, just a few features. Yes, I would argue, I don't know if I just said it or I said it in my head, but I would argue, try to launch your applications free for now, Sam. Why? You are a young guy, and I'm telling you, the community is going to be more value that you can reach. It's going to be way more valuable than hitting a paywall and quickly making 5k. In the long run, you'll see that 5k ain't worth anything. PR, but I got you, PR. I got you. You know the vibes, man. We'll make some fun games again. I just got to do it somehow that it doesn't involve and that it doesn't break guidelines, chat. That's what it comes down to. No, Abbas, people, big brands don't, there's two things they don't do. I believe it's alcohol, tobacco, three things. Alcohol, tobacco, and gambling. Those are the three no-nos. So, chat, I'm also very happy I'm not smoking weed on stream anymore. Well, wait till I get to a certain point where it doesn't matter anymore, the monetization, then I'll be smoking again, but I feel you, Sam, but I'm just saying to you, let's say you put $3 on it, you get 10k users. Let's say you put $0 on it, you get 1 million users. That 1 million users is going to get you way more investment, way more cash flow. I've done it time and time again. In my lifetime, I've launched a lot of projects. And the best case to launch a product without any heavy investment is a user base. Once you've got a user base, you can step into any investment room in your flip-flops, shorts, and a t-shirt, and they'll suck you off, if you know what I mean. Yeah, Led, I gotta think about what I'm gonna think about it, but I want to get it going, obviously, in Dollar Vibe Club, as that's the platform we're building. And that's what I'm doing with the Dollar Vibe Club, chat. It was paid as well at the start, Sam. It was paid at the start, but, well, you got to make sure that the paid features don't cost you money, obviously. If you put AI in it, if you can justify it that way, Sam, then I would just allow them to buy credit packs so that they can just use it like that. Yeah, PR, we got to do that for the next 3 months, let's say, PR. Those 3 that you said we got to do. We got to behave. Chat, we had a nice payday today. I dropped it in the Discord as well, so you guys see internet money really is real. That made me happy today, but at the same time, chat, I got a bunch of people on my nuts and things to take care of. Real world shit, chat, real world shit. Real world, chat. What's not working, Prime? What's not working, homie? But shout out to Phoenix again, man. I hope he becomes the businessman that he wants to become. And I hope he's able to realize that getting a job ain't gonna be shit when he runs that profile to a top rated. Well, Prime, you gotta lock in. A lot of people come to my chat, Prime, and they say, oh, it's not working, or I hope it starts coming to me. It's not gonna work for you until you put the work in. If you go back to Phoenix and you ask Phoenix what he did to get those 11 customers, I can promise you, I will give you a good example, chat, and I don't want anybody in the chat to do this because I'm at a point where I don't need thumbnails anymore. But the first thing that Phoenix did when he was in my chat was reach out to me every day, deliver me every day thumbnails that I didn't need, chat. At a certain time, I felt so bad. He gave me so many thumbnails that worked, that grew my channel, that I said to him, send me your first order on Fiverr. I was his first client on Fiverr. After my client, other people start seeing the thumbnails. They understand that Phoenix is a good designer, and they started ordering with him. But he put in the work, and that's what I say. That's the secret to this book, chat. It's give first, and the moment you start giving, monetization is around every corner. Yeah, he's still down in the briefing room, PR. He still replies and shit. He's just working. He's got a job. He's doing Fiverr. He's spending his money. I think the kid's never had money, PR. I'll be real with you. Because when he said to me a month ago that his goal was $1,000, chat, you know, $1,000 for us is a different for him, you know. He's probably enjoying a different life, PR. He probably experiencing financial freedom for the first time. He's probably experiencing buying whatever he wants, whatever he needs. I'm telling you, $1,000. I don't know. He posted it on Twitter. It was rupiah or something. I don't know, but it looked like he was making bank, chat. I'll just say that. Let's go to the homie Phoenix. Look, chat, this is what he made on Fiverr. He's giving the thumbs up, chat. Let me show you. This is him on Fiverr. He's only 20 or 21, chat. What's up, Aries? Welcome to the stream, Aries. I've seen you before. Sorry if I didn't say hi, man. My head's all over the place a bit today. It's been a busy day. But that being said, chat, we got to get into Fiverr. So if you've got work to do, chat, I would suggest that you lock in. You put me on the background and you listen to me yapping. It's only going to be, I'm only going to be yapping today. I got to yap myself through this season. No idea what that is. 38,000 rupiah plus 16,000 coming in. Let me see. How much is about 60,000 rupiah in India? I don't know. Let me save the image. How much is this in my screenshot in dollars? I don't know, chat. Somebody has to do the... I don't know what it is, chat. It's not working. Codex is tripping today, chat. This has been working over 7 hours, chat. What's up, Hackerhead? What's up, Hackerhead? Welcome to the stream. $350. All right. Well, and he's also got a job. So he told me that he made his $1,000, but he said to me he's happy. Anyway, proud of him. Chat, I gotta get him to my own inbox. I'm doing amazing, hard hack ahead. I did say it was a busy day. It was kind of a real trap Tuesday, I'll tell you that. Loads of work going on, and at the same time loads of stuff in real life. All stuff that don't add to the cause, only take away from the cause. So what do you mean no support? But also reviewing every single submission, hack ahead. I can't say anything yet, and I'm not trying to give away anything on my face, but I will say again, I'm blown away. I'm literally blown away. All right, you got users asking. I'm literally blown away. I'm literally blown away by what's popping off in those builds, man. It depends. It depends, Prime. You gotta send me the account, and if it was a legitimate account and you've got reviews on it already and everything's looking good, you should continue on that account, Prime. 100% you should continue on that account. So, chat, that being said about Codex, I was bitching about Codex. Today we're gonna run Opus. We're gonna see what Opus 5 can do for my demo. And let's see, chat. Let's just go in code mode. Alright, stand by. We are going to build a client demo and I will only need a wireframe. I'll brief you in a few moments. This is the first time me using you again in a few weeks, so don't disappoint. Be very particular, be surgical, and be creative. Alright, chat. Let's see what Opus 5 is all about, chat. Let's open primes real quick. Prime, you're in a good location. I would absolutely stay on this profile, Prime. I will absolutely stay on this profile. You've got a great, if you really speak French, you've got a huge opportunity for the French market. I weekly have to decline 2-3 clients French because I don't speak it. This is good. I would probably already change the nerd language. Normal people don't understand full stack developer, API, data workflows. Sell it like a story. Hi, my name is Prime. I've been building websites for the last 5 years. I focus on e-commerce. I focus on hotel web booking flows. I'm just saying something, eh? I'm just spitting out my hand now. That's how I would approach it. Your skills are basically shit. You gotta add more in. Add in keywords like I said to you. You look at my keywords or look at my homie, my nephew Hunter. You gotta use the keywords that people are searching on. He's got 28 keywords. Marketing, WordPress, Wix, BuddyPress, Shopify. These are all words that Fiverr is paying for and the brands are paying millions of dollars for. Normal people are not coming in to search on Python or on Django or on Flutter. I've been in the business for 25 years, Prime, and I don't even know what Python is, or I don't even know what Flutter is, Python. Prime, I don't even know what Flutter is. You can leave those keywords in, but don't forget to add the normal keywords also in. You'll see your visuals or your traffic is gonna double X if you do that. This is perfect. Very, very good. I see you've clearly followed the thing. You gotta get your prices a bit up, Prime. For you, having a 12 review account, selling something on $20 doesn't make you look serious. Your basic has to be $100, your standard has to be $500, and your premium has to be about $1,000. That's especially the way your profile is looking. If you update your keywords, you're gonna get more there. Let me look at your thing. Small MVP. Now here I wouldn't sell. I would sell a landing page and a consultation call, Prime. Nobody needs a bug. If there's a bug, I'll do that for free, so I've already beat you. If a client comes to me and says, hey, can you fix thing, and it takes me 2 seconds, I'll do it for free. And then I know I'm in that client's DMs and I've already taken the sale. So raise your prices, raise your offer, look at the competitors. There's enough competitors to review. Your profile picture is great, but you're being lazy because you got 3 images that you can add in Fiverr. You are only using 1. That means you're failing and not Fiverr. That means Fiverr doesn't have to give you anything. You know what I mean, Prime? You gotta use every single feature in your profile. You gotta use every single feature in your profile. Your text is too short and no clarity. Look at Hunter. When I go here, development, boom, I come in it. You get a starter pack. That means if I spend $300, I'm already live. That's what you need. Look at his story. It's set up in parts. You got bullet points. You got clear ideas. You got an intro. This intro has to be unique. Has to be unique for every single Fiverr seller, I think. Because this, everybody can write. Every single Fiverr seller that I click will have the same intro. But nobody can write, hey, I'm Prime, I'm born in Tunisia, I speak 3 languages, and I'm passionate about internet. I've built over 100 websites, something like that. You gotta tell a story. This is the moment people click you. I don't know what you should send me a screenshot of your, what's up, Roberto? Send me a screenshot of your traffic, Prime. Send me a screenshot of your traffic. And the thing is, if people are clicking you but no conversion, that means your text is shit, because this is the only part you get them to convince before they contact you. If this is not good or generic, nobody will work with you. I will look at your building. This is very bad. This category is very bad. Software development full stack is very bad. Look at Hunter. He's in the category vibe coding development MVP. Over 100,000 people a month are searching the word vibe coding. Nobody is searching full stack developer, chat. I promise you. The numbers don't lie. Fiverr sends out analytic reviews, analytic reports every month. People are looking. That's why there is no traffic. You're in a category that was from the old times. Back in the old days, people needed full stack, but now they want vibe coders, chat. So I would change your category. Go to the trending categories. Look at the trending categories. If you look at the trending categories, you'll see website design. Click it. Once you click it, you can see the category here. Just click a random person, you see? Graphic design, web design. That should have way more visits. You should change those. Remove bug fixes and API integrations. Set up a WordPress gig. Set up a Shopify gig. And set up a vibe coding gig. Do that right now, Prime. And you'll see within a week or 2 weeks, your profile will go up. You will see it. Why? You are a trusted seller. You've already got 12 reviews. The fact that you aren't doing that means you're sleeping on it. And maybe that's my fault, Prime. Maybe I haven't explained good what gigs people should make. But this isn't worth your time. You're not going to make money with this. And I do this for free for people. So I'm telling you, set up full packages. Look at Hunter. Look at my profile. Those are usually the best benchmarks, I would say. What's up, Andrew? Welcome to the stream, chat. So Prime, I would definitely update your offering. I don't know on what the reviews were given, Prime. What was your best performing category in the past? And you obviously have to analyze, but you have to do the research yourself. What's up, Data Sherpa? Welcome to the stream, man. South Africa in the house. Data Sherpa, remind me again, where are you from? I know Andrew is from South Africa, man. Welcome to the building. Well, explain to me what end stuff is. All right, so that was all stuff from the past, so you can't bank on those reviews. That's no problem. But I would set up a new offering. WordPress website, Shopify website, USA. Nice, Data Sherpa. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Today we're locked in. We're focusing on work. We're just doing some Fiverr stuff. And we are cheating on Codex today, chat. We're working in Claude. Codex has been very slow for me. But that being said, Pram, I'm going to leave it at that. Come back Freelance Friday and show me an updated profile, man. The DVC globe is looking good. I look at it every day, chat. This is my landing page when I wake up. And I'm every day thinking, how can we improve it? Hunter's still got to get the official projects in it. But we'll fine tune that soon. But I'm very proud where we're at right now with Dollar Vibe Club. We're about to take it. I want to take it to version 6. So just fine tune everything a bit. Answer Opus. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm going to answer Opus in a few moments. Let's get that going. Chat, I've said all the things. Orale, Mike. You know the vibes, man. Man, that soundboard. Always when I want to do the special effects, chat, it'd be tripping. So this I wanted to play. Orale, Mike. You know the vibes. So the globes look good. But we'll go more on that in the coming weeks, chat. I'm going to be preparing August by end of the week. So, well, August is already starting in 2 days, chat. Damn, I'm behind. Damn, I'm behind on schedule, chat. But it's all good. It's all good. All right, demo time. Demo time. Let me show you the request, chat. Most of you won't be able to read it because it's in Dutch. but I'll show you the request. You can obviously try and translate it, or just take a screenshot and have your agent translate it. Basically, what the client is looking for, they are looking for a shop to sell wooden floors, chat, and they want an entire room builder. But they did send me a very nice demo of a floor builder, which I wanted to challenge myself and see if I can build that. Oh, Roberto, we might have to have a little birthday party then. We might have to get a little birthday party going. Sem knows the vibes, man. I think Sem knows the vibes. I think that was his answer. Oh, no, he speaks Dutch, chat. Alright, so we've got a client here, chat. And he's looking for someone to build a website. He's looking for someone that speaks Dutch. So, Sem, that should give you confidence that as a Dutch seller, you will have twice as many requests, because Fiverr can't service Dutch sellers to, let's say, Phoenix in India, because he doesn't speak Dutch. Maybe I'm thinking we could do Minecraft Monday, chat. What do you think? But anyway, let me copy this into my Opus. Alright, Opus, I'm going to paste the entire brief here, and I will send you a link with the floor plan or the demo builder. And our goal is to rebuild a custom homepage wireframe with a button in the hero banner and a button in the header that leads to a demo floor builder. Customized. I'll give you the brand name at the end. Alright. So, let me post in the chat log, chat. Let me post in the demo. Didn't she give me a website? Oh no, this is another client, chat. This is another client. Damn. Alright. Let me show you another client. So this is one that we have to work on. This is another one that we have to work on. I'll show you here. And here's the room planner, chat. So you guys will see the room planner as well. So I'll put the room planner link in the description. So if you guys want to build with me. And if you deploy it to Vercel, who knows, I might take your demo and sell it to the client, chat. Anyway, let me hide the client details. One moment. Alright, this is the request, chat. So, sorry, chat. I'm locked in today. So if I miss any chats, just send it again. So she said, good afternoon, Tommy. I run a company that does floors, blah, blah, blah. We have all the photos, blah, blah, blah. And then I said, all right, we could get that going for $2,000 to $3,000. I said, but that's only for an informational website. I said, if you're looking for, I said, that's for a custom site. I said, if you need more informational website, it's $1,000. Then she sent me this room planner, chat. This is the competition. So I'll send it to you guys in the chat. Feel free, if you do build anything or have your agents build anything, feel free to send it to me on Discord, and then I can review it. Oh shit, chat. Alright, I just gotta make sure the client doesn't get leaked, chat. But anyway, this is what we're going to build. So I gotta go back here. I'm gonna close this chat. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna delete this entire chat. I'm gonna post this entire chat. Then I'm gonna post the demo. The room planner, there we go. Alright, let's let that run. And this one is running in Codex, chat, but I'm telling you, Codex has been having problems. Has anybody else been having problems with Codex, chat? Just very, very slow. Very, very slow, chat. Very weird. Alright. Let's let him build. Let me open the room planner, chat. So I did like this a lot, and I thought, let me challenge myself. So we go to the room planner. Alright, this is the room planner apparently, chat. But I thought it was, I don't know, I think it's nice. I don't know exactly what we can do here, but apparently we can change the floors and shit. You get to change the... Alright, you can upload your own room. Well, I don't know what it all is. Yes, Sam, I'm looking at it as well now. I'm looking at it as well now. But I would take out some features, like I wouldn't allow people to upload their own image. That's going to make it too hard. You'll need AI for that. So I could say... It's mainly this room planner. Oh, that's crazy, guys. Why is it working for you and for me it be tripping like that, man? It's been burning through my usage. What up, James? Welcome to the stream. James, I'm gonna clap it up for you. You're new here. I don't think I've seen your name here before, but welcome to the stream. It's a different kind of stream today. We're getting work done. It's like a day one stream. When I started 100 and... How many days is it now? 119 days ago. So different vibes. But welcome to the stream. Where are you watching from, James? Alright, Codex might be annoyed by me, chat, because I keep tagging Tebow. Alright, no rush, Aldin. If you get something, I'm gonna build it as well, see what we get out of it. Sick, I'm based in Miami at the moment. Nice. Miami, I heard, is the coolest place in the USA. Chat, am I wrong for saying that? I'm just fucking with you guys. Nah, we got a few viewers from Miami, chat. All I think about when I hear Miami is I'm going to Miami. Shout out Will Smith, chat. 119 days, exactly. And I'm happy I came online today to build a demo for you guys. And it was a hard day for me today to hit the go live button, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I told you, sometimes the real life takes over. People get in the way of stuff. Real life gets in the way. Orale! Orale, this one's a real one, chat. I'm gonna just call him Gangster. What's up, Gangster? What's up, Gangster? I feel like we gon' vibe, Gangster. I feel like we gon' vibe, man. Damn, I needed that name in my, I should have gone for Tommy Gangster, chat. What would a Dav given? Orale. Gangsters in the chat. Be careful, chat. Soon I'll have shooters worldwide. Viva España, bro. Congratulations. Orale. Let's see what, oh yeah. Continue the full research, the full design setup of the wireframe and everything. You can do it local and then at the end deploy it to Vercel. We don't need a database for now. Everything is fully wireframe. Gangster, where are you watching from? What's up, Caleb? Woodchucker. I actually prefer Woodchucker. What do you prefer, Caleb? What's up, Woodchucker? Welcome to the stream, man. Let me clap it up for you. Now I get to know you guys a bit more because this time we don't got the stress of the hackathon, chat. Shout out Woodchucker. We had a fun event. I hope you enjoyed the hackathon. I don't know if I was super welcoming, but I hope you enjoyed it. Seeing all the different vibe coders. That was the highlight for me this weekend, chat. I've heard of it, James. I've never ever worked in it. I've heard of it. I don't know exactly what it is even. I think it's like what's that one called that's very famous, chat, that all the clients want in graphic design. What's the one that they all want, chat? There's something that they all want, chat. Figma. I believe it's like Figma, chat. Figma? Yeah, exactly, Roberto. Oh, no, it's hosting them. Alright, Figma. Sri Lanka, welcome, gangster. Wow, I've never been to Sri Lanka, gangster. That might be on my travel bucket list one day. Shout out to you, gangster. Shit, I know what you mean. Well, Aldin, Webflow, Figma. I think Figma's the most famous. Tommy, have you heard of Header? No, I can't even pronounce that. That sounds like a Greek god, chat. That sounds like a Greek god, I ain't gonna lie. Tommy, have you heard of Header? No, I've never heard of it. Let's see if Fiverr's heard of Header, chat. Let's see if Fiverr's heard of Header. No, I don't think so. Alright, James. Well, James, I think the longer you stick around the stream, I've got a very different approach to vibe coding and to AI in general than, let's say, the most vibe coders that stream on YouTube, James. I try, or well, at least my personal approach is a lot more from an entrepreneur standpoint. Someone who's not that technical. I've always worked with developers and I understand the foundation, but I never got into fully coding myself, if you know what I mean. So that's why I probably haven't gotten into agentic development. I must say, James, I was inspired looking at the Vibe Coders build this hackathon. You can see the stream, you'll see I'm sharing 20 people and they all build in different styles, and I'm interested in seeing Sem's workflow. I just want to see from a top level, how are you able to manage an orchestration of about, I'm just saying, 15 or 16 agents, you know what I mean? My job all my life, chat, has been people management, business management, and project management. And I know what it is to have 16 things going on at the same time. Hell, any given day, I've got 50 things going on at the same time. It's a coding space. So that's why the coding space, my preferred coding space, Aldin, right now, is the harnesses that the direct LLMs give you. That's just me using it as a consumer. That hackathon inspired me, so I'm building my own app. Wow, I'm happy to hear that. That makes me already happy. That's already a win on the hackathon. About 3/4 away through a little bit more to do on the back end. Though a little bit more to do on the back end. Take your time, Woodchuck. I would argue, I usually give myself a challenge, Woodchuck, and I would say, it's Tuesday now. Make sure you can publish it by Friday. Come back Friday, get the homies testing it. We are the homies in the chat. We got the Discord to support initial tests and stuff. And put goals for yourself, man. Vibe coding makes it that easy. Let me know if there's an opportunity to work together with Proof Bridge. I'm currently looking for designer. What is Proof Bridge exactly, chat? I don't know what Proof Bridge is. There are so many ADEs. I have my own. And most Gs have one. Yeah, PR, that's what I'm starting to feel. And that's why I'm also wondering, why do companies sell ADEs? Is that a new thing that big companies... Who's the biggest company on the market right now selling ADEs, chat? Would I argue ChatGPT, because is this an ADE? Like, I can open a second project here, no problem. I can say here, open in a new window, and I've got another agentic agent running, right, chat? And right now, I've only been able to really run about 5 and stay focused, if you know what I mean. But that's what I'm saying. Like, my approach is going to be... Or my approach is really the approach of an idiot. Like, I'm just getting into it. I know old school business. And I'm trying to see how do old school business, how do we get it applied here? And so far, it's been working out, chat. And my only benchmark, chat, and I don't want to sound like a dick, but my only benchmark is how much money is coming in. The more money it's making me, the better benchmark it's got in my book, chat. I don't need to solve mathematical genius problems or whatever. Down to join the next hackathon. James, I would love to have you, man. So be sure to be in the Discord. And if you can, send me a DM just so I have you in my DMs. But I'll invite everybody on Discord always. Well, Hard Hacker, we already know that you're a G. You, PR, Aldin, the people that I've actually all seen building yesterday. And I'll give you my honest opinion. The one that I was most surprised of was Nathan. Nathan just got into streaming. It was his 3rd day. And he was already going into it hard. I'm talking about surprised by his performance, chat. I haven't reviewed the apps in detail yet. But I'm just talking about the work ethic put in behind it. That's what I care. Just that inspires me way more, chat. Because I know that there's 50 of these young guys out there hungry. And that makes me go faster, chat. That makes me... It's 4 a.m. out here and I'm still grinding. And I do this shit daily, chat. So I'm telling you, 2 years and then I'll probably retire. You a G, double G. Well, you probably OG, Hackerhead. You probably OG. Quadruple G on the block. H. Go Caleb. Quaddy. Quick tip for beginners. Don't try to invent the wheel. Make a better version of your best competitor. Exactly, but I would argue just look at something that you're really passionate about. Probably what Woodchucker is building, he's probably been thinking about it for a while. And that's probably the reason he's finally said like, fuck it, I'ma do it. So the passion gets you through the days, chat, where it's harder. Gets you through the bullshit days. Just join Discord, send you an email with my SaaS website if we can work. Nice, James, and I'll check it. I'll follow up for sure, James. The Data Sherpa, gotta out hustle. You know the vibes, Data. When I'm stopped running, I know someone else is running, Data. I'm telling you, that's the game, man. You gotta be ruthless or you're toothless, chat. That's from Young Sheldon. You gotta be ruthless or you're toothless, chat. It's that simple. Let me run one thing actually while we're just yapping. Hackerhead, since you're in the chat, maybe I got a question for you. Are you down to join the Freelance Friday show? And just come on stream and let's go over your profile and see if we can get you launched in the right direction. Or is that something maybe you want to do off stream? I believe it was Hacker. Yeah. Shout out to the homie. Sem, the only one stopping yourself. Even if people say what you're doing, just keep doing it. Exactly. Put out the noise, chat. You can make money with an app on how to stop smoking. Well, we ain't gonna stop that, chat. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm 40 years old. I've been doing that for the last 25, I would argue. So we ain't gonna stop that. What's up, Hisham? Oh my god. You seem like a basic bee from Starbucks. Oh my god, the new caramel latte is out. Alright, I'll send you a message tomorrow, Hard Hacker. I'm planning the show for Friday. I think it was the same. Tommy, do you know Nick? Yeah, I know Nick. I've been following Nick's streams. I love the way Nick is streaming also. I love his approach also. Alright, Sherpa, you OG. We got the OG group. Hunter runs the youngsters. But we the OGs out here. Yeah, I remember Nick. He was joining the hackathon. Nick had a great stream as well. He didn't do the full 12 hours, and that's no problem. But he's just a good entertainer, chat, and I think he's very focused on collateral. And that's because he's solving a problem for himself, chat. And that's the best approach. In my book, you get more interested, you know the solutions, you know everything on it. Next up, we have the scripts and briefs view. Make sure everything's working there. Make sure the script details are working. And make sure everything's working as the platform is intended, as this is a communication tool between two parties. Let me know when we can go to the next screen. I feel you on the age. Well, like I said, chat, I do feel 25, I ain't gonna lie. And every month, and I said it on my last video, chat, and this truly be the case my entire life, chat, every month I be reinventing myself. I believe you got to reinvent yourself every month, chat. I believe you got to reinvent yourself every month. Every month. Nah, hell no, Sam. I'm probably not going to retire until they put me into a coffin, if you know what I mean. I probably will be in my coffin with an agent running in my brain, chat. I don't know, but something like that. But I probably never will retire, chat. it's not retire for me, because retire would mean to stop living. Because what I'm doing now is literally just living my life and enjoying what I'm doing. And I'm getting paid to do it. So, like, I ain't gonna stop living, chat. I'm only gonna be living more and more. Who knows, man? There's so many shows that predict it already, Sem. I don't know the name of the show, but it's a very good show where the guy dies. Oh, it's called Upload. And he gets uploaded into the cloud. Chat, have you seen that? Well, Data Sherpa, didn't we all say that when we were 20? Didn't we all say that? I used to say I'm gonna retire when I'm 30. Look at me now. Exactly, Prime. That's the goal, man. Buy a huge compound, a piece of land, bang out a bunch of kids, and then just vibe code from the compound, chat. Well, not if we can be uploaded into the cloud, PR. Then we're still there. Then there's an image of us. But at the end of the day, that's a fact that I go with by everyday chat. PR's right. We can all die and it can happen in an instant moment, chat. And I would say not to get deep, chat. Not to get deep or anything, but I would go full screen. But I would say, and I've said this before on the Bangkok stream, chat. I would argue that the moment I became a true man, chat, was when I lost my dad. I lost my dad first, chat. And that was about, and I'm confused on the years, because obviously I smoke a lot of weed, chat. But I lived with my father before he passed away, chat. I took care of him. The homie was sick, so I took care of him. I seen him pass away. And that changed my life, chat. That really changed my life in the sense of everything that was going on that day, chat. And I don't know what it was, back then I was broke. Maybe I had bills to pay. Or maybe I had a girlfriend that was bitching about something. Or maybe I had a sister that needed something to get done. Or maybe I had a brother that was being annoying. Like, I don't know what happened that day, but I just forgot everything, chat. And I just locked in. And all of a sudden I had more responsibility, chat. I have the responsibility to take care of my siblings. Take care of my mother that was still there then. Nah, James, it's part of life, man. I'm 40 now. I think this is about when I was 26, 27, 28 maybe. So it's been over 12 years. In that time, I've lost my mom also. So I got to experience that from a personal level as well. Very sad, chat, obviously. But at the same time, the beautiful thing is, you know it's part of life. So the moment you understand that, you will take that energy. And I will argue, my dad's passing changed me for the better. And my mom's passing changed me for the better. It gave me financial freedom, let's put it that way. And that was just the energy that I took out of it. But like I'm saying, we all die at the end, so keep that in mind. That's how I wake up every single day, chat. I'm not with my family right now, so I miss my family a lot. And who knows what could happen to me out here or to them out there. You never know, a car could hit you, or you could bang your head falling off a bike, who knows. And that's why I'm saying you gotta live your day. Every day I wake up, I ask myself, do I want to be dealing with this shit, or do I want to be doing what I'm doing right now? And then I just choose for the latter, chat. I just go and do what I'm doing right now. And that's kind of the only most important guideline in my life right now. Is just living in the moment, getting things done. And at the same time also planning the future. Obviously I've got so many future plans, chat. And everything's just been excelled with this YouTube channel. We've been blessed with this YouTube channel. I've been blessed with you guys in the community supporting, popping in. I've been blessed with the vibe coders showing up and building 12 hours straight. Like I'm telling you, I didn't think it would be this fast, chat. I thought I would be working intensely and up until 45. But the fact that we made this YouTube decision, and that's what I'm also saying to anybody thinking to do YouTube, start tomorrow or start today. It's literally opening your camera, being yourself, and getting work done. Trying to improve yourself every single day, chat. I started YouTube 3 months ago, James. Exactly 119 days ago to be exact. Let me check. Retirement at 40. We will all die. Exactly. When I die, I want to reincarnate. Who knows, man? I've been watching a lot. About the Dalai Lama, chat, lately. And I usually watch content on the side when I'm vibe coding. And I've been watching a lot about reincarnation, just educating myself. I don't know a lot about it, so I'm learning. I do know a lot about other religions, but step by step we're learning. So that's nice that you mentioned that, Aldin. That's kind of the universe matching what I've been studying. Shout out James to you. I feel you, man. Appreciate it. But like I said, we're all good, man. But I appreciate it. Rest in peace to the dad. Daddy Yip, man. Daddy Yip, chat. Aldin, just live in the moment. Yeah, don't waste time, man. Don't waste time on bullshit. Instead of making an app to quit smoking, make an app to keep you from starting. Well, Woodchuck, that could be a good app for the youngsters. That could be a really good app because basically, Woodchucker, and I'll tell you why I started smoking. I started smoking when I was about 17, 18. I probably started smoking because I see people around me do it. So that could be a reason to help people stop smoking. Maybe show them images from people who don't smoke, who could be role models. And I smoked because I had a lot of shit going on, chat. When I say I'm from the streets, let's just say I grew up poor. So that probably gives you more stress. Yeah, James, 3 months ago. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, you got it, James, if you feel it. But, James, I'm telling you, the one mistake that I see people making right now from a broad perspective, and I research my competitors every single day, chat. I have a Obsidian brain here. My agents do the work. Well, if Codex is willing to work, I research my competitors every single day, chat. I mix and match it to my streams. My streams get indexed. Every single day gets indexed. And we learn every day. Everything I'm saying right now is going to modify my plan moving forward tomorrow. So that's what I'm saying, chat. I feel you, Sam. I feel you. That's the religion I grew up on. So when I pray, that's definitely, well, I pray to God. So that's definitely, I would argue, the European religion. But that's because I've trained on that. You know what I mean? Yeah, I have a basic video, James. But I would argue I have a basic video, but I'm probably going to make a new one because I've been using Obsidian way more than before. But I would start like this. Find this video. I'll send it here in the chat. It's one of my first videos, Obsidian plus Claude. And that can be basically anyone. But watch that one. Drop a comment while you're at it. You know the vibes. But I'm dropping a new one soon. And the only extra tip I can give you, James, when you're creating that Obsidian brain, tell it to categorize the nodes and the folders in colors so that you get a more clearer view. Because back in the day I was doing it wrong. I only discovered Obsidian back then and it was just black and white. And that made it harder to pick out what topics I'm working on. You know the vibes. Hack ahead. Amen, man. I don't know how to pray in English, chat. I'll tell you that for true. I don't know how to pray in English, but I do know how to pray in Dutch. Because that's what they taught us. So yeah, I can say I know the start, like the basic one. But you know the vibes, chat. I don't really push religion here, politics, or sex. You know the vibes. Alcohol, gambling, and smoking also not, chat. If you come in my live stream, your brain might get a little squeeze, little confusion. No worry, Woodchucker. I'll be checking it for sure. I'll just sub up now. And I'll check your stream if you're streaming. Boom, there we go, man. Subbed up. Let me put that bell notification on. But chat, what I wanted to say is the biggest problem that I see that people are making when they are going streaming, and I'm looking at it from a broad perspective and from a very close perspective. Most people are doing it for the money, chat. And my biggest advice to you is don't do it for the money. If you do it for the money, you're going to fail from day one. You got to do it for the love of the game, chat. If you do it for the love of the game, you're going to be very successful. And that's my honest advice as an old head, chat. Well, there's no setup. The only setup, Alden, is turn on that camera and start yapping. Turn on that camera and start yapping. And in your case, Alden, you've got the meta going. You've got the desk setup going. You've got the microphone going. And you've got the skills going. So, at the end of the day, if you're working anyway, start streaming it. Exactly, Woodchucker. Do it for the love of the game. Do it for the viewers. Do it for the people. I feel you, Alden, but get it all set up, man. Hit that button. I've been hearing you say a few days now that you're planning to go live. And honestly, you missed a big opportunity on Saturday because you would have had 50 subs by now. But I'm telling you, Alden, hit that go live button, man. Obsidian is open source. I use the paid version. so that I can access it on all devices, James. If you pay $2 or $3 and it's worth it if you use it on multi-devices. Sometime I'll be taking a poop, James, and looking on my phone through the brain, and I can see what it added through, what new competitors go to the top. Yeah, once you get, and even Aldin, I may sound like a dickhead now, but even you setting up your PC and actually building it or whatever, that would have been stream content that people love seeing. I would have enjoyed watching that. Chat, I had a very big fail today. Chat, I had a very, very big fail today. So you guys know that I ordered the pull-up bar, right? Now I got the pull-up bar. I built the whole thing. It took me like 5 hours, over 5 hours to build it, chat. Because you give me a hammer and a screwdriver and I'll mess up every time. Like, that's a standard with me. I'm just not like Mike. Mike knows how to take a hammer and build stuff, and that's why I love watching Mike stream, chat. Because I don't know what side to hold the hammer, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I built the shit. The shit is fine. Let me show you guys, man. Let me show you guys, man. So, chat, this is the shit I built, the contraption. And supposedly, it has to go up on the wall somewhere. But when I put it to the door, there's no way that it's staying on top. It's just falling down, and there's no way to bolt it in also. So basically now I'm stuck with a pull-up bar that I can use on the floor, chat. Man, that shit is crazy, chat, I'm telling you. I have no idea what I bought, chat. And I can actually show you guys here what I bought, chat. Let me show you. Man, I'm so fucked, chat, when it comes to that pull-up bar, man. I ain't gonna lie. Let me go into the screen. This is what I bought, chat. I've watched the video, I've watched the photo. No way that shit is hanging to the door like that. No way. No way. I've tested it, I've did it a million. I might have built it wrong, hardhead. I might have built it wrong, hardhead, but at the same time, I feel like I've built it right, man. Like, I might have built it upside down, chat. I've got a door frame, PR. I've got a door frame. I've got an exact door frame like this. I measured it and everything. I'm gonna put it on the floor and do push-ups on it, chat. That's what it's gonna be now. Either I built it wrong, chat. I have no idea. But honestly, I don't think I built it wrong. Let me hold it here. Okay, so what you're seeing right now, or what you should be seeing, let me see if you're seeing it, chat. Alright, so this is the top part. This is the bottom part that goes to the door. But this part is way too far. So I guess this part, yeah, I could maybe. No, man, I think I built it right, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, it's gonna be a push-up bar for now, chat. Well, I'll have very big arms, chat. In a few weeks, I'll have very big arms. Well, that's Woodchucker. I was planning to call my landlord and tell him to just bolt it in the wall for me, or just have him rebuild it. Move the top to the down, the key. Oh, I have no idea what that means, man. You need to flip the T-piece around, I think. Alright, I'm gonna take this all into consideration. I'll give it a go again tomorrow, chat. But like I said, with the day I had already today and trying to build that shit, I ain't gonna lie, chat. I almost felt defeated. Oh, we got a new rating, chat. I almost felt defeated, chat. I ain't gonna lie. But now coming back to this stream, the vibes are back. So yeah, we'll have to figure it out. But for now, it's a push-up bar, chat. For now, it's a push-up bar. Alright, let's get back to building. Huh, I wish, Josh. Shout out to you, man. Welcome to the stream. I wish, Josh. I'll need to wait for the new robot first. All right, Mike is saying something. All right, so I might have to flip it up and down, chat. One is shorter than the other. Chat, I'm such an idiot, man. All right, I'm a tap in. I'm a tap in what you guys said. I'm not gonna do it now, chat. I'm not gonna do it now. I'll definitely look at the pictures again tomorrow. So I basically got the stick. This is coming in it. These come around it. That is, maybe this one should be here and that should be here. That's maybe what he means. Alright, so that one, yeah, that's the right one actually though. So that one should lean to the wall and it should like feel heavy. But it just falls down, chat. Oh, I know. I can see it. Now I didn't do this, chat. Look, the black part I didn't put in here. This part. Oh, that's in front of the door. Now, wait, let me test it, chat. Wait. Wait, we might be onto something, chat. Wait, we might be onto something. And I actually didn't put a part on it. And that might be my bad. Wait, chat. No, I think Mike is right. I think I got the long one with the wrong one. Now you should put an app take picture. I wish. Alright, chat. Enough about the bar. I'll do what Mike said yesterday. I'm going to try and switch it around. He might be right. He might be right because that one's actually too long. That one's way too long, chat. Mike, just for the pull-up bar. Just for the pull-up bar, man. Come on over. What's your working rate, chat? All right, so that should be up there. I don't know. It looked so easy, chat. I thought they were gonna deliver it in one piece, and I just have to hang it and it works. But I was playing. Damn, man. All right, enough about that pull-up bar. Well, Mike, let me see if I can get my landlord to bang it on first. Come on, man. They're both all taking long. Alright, chat. We've been streaming 1 hour. Let me put the vibes a bit up for you. Let me take a stretcher and a sip of juice, chat. Red Bull, come on, man. We'll see the demo in a few moments, chat. Well, that's what I'm saying. Mike could even bring a drill and just drill it in the wall for me, chat. But I'm gonna take a stretcher, chat. I'll be right back. 1 minute. Alright, chat, round 2. Let's get back into Trapping Yapping Tuesday. I just need that agent to build it for me. Chat, I was watching The Office yesterday. Oh, let me miss the chat, see. 400 an hour, I've gone further for dumber. Who knows, Mike? If the landlord's not able to fix it, I'ma tap in, man. Except a decent PC. Well, when it comes to PCs and, well, not building, but software, that's my thing. That's like Mike can sell ice cubes to an Eskimo. Well, me and Mike on the same wave then, man. Me and Mike on the same wave. It's all about sales, Jack. Communication is key in life. Ask Mike. Right on, Mike. You should be proud of that. I will have you know I placed 41st in my very first global hackathon I ever tried. Nice. What was that? What hackathon was that, Mike? Alright, later, Caleb. I will be in Amsterdam probably sooner than later, Sam. I'm planning my schedule now, but I'm thinking of flying out to Europe in December, chat. Get some Christmas markets in. Get some snow in. You know the vibes. Nah, I don't. Is Mike the last? Oh, Mike playing. I didn't even get to you reviewing the doodles yet, chat. I'm only on the tip-tap games. You can send me a you should be able to add me as a friend, but we're still working on the Dollar Vibe Club stuff, on the social stuff, James. So if it isn't working, drop a message in the Discord in the feature channel. We've got a feature channel here, chat, where anything that's not working, you can drop it, and the lead developer's Hunter right now. He'll take them on. We've got a feature suggestion here. I feel you, Mike. Well, we're not over yet, man. The fat lady ain't sang yet. You know what they say, chat? It ain't over till the fat lady sings. Yeah, you might have to get verified. Wait, let me check. Next hackathon coming up in August. 100% coming up in August. 100%. Let me see any new members. Alright, James, I approved you. Emma, I approved you. Bob, approve. Patrick, approve. Mods, approve. Elise, approve. I'm not Aldi, approve. Paula, approved. J35, approved. Shara, approved. The Prof, approved. And a whole bunch more, chat. Thanks for signing up to the Dollar Vibe Club, chat. Next hackathon coming up around the corner. And I got 3 new ideas, chat. 3 other $1 million ideas. Well, we've got the fan vote coming in, right, Aldin? Well, I've got 3 first prize prizes, chat, and I've got 5 runner-ups. That means 8 people will win prizes. That's a good deal, right? That's a good deal, right? We got first prize a bando, second prize 300, 200, and then 5 times 100 and $20 plans. Yeah, we got runner-up prizes, chat, don't worry. Don't worry. The giveaway coming up, chat. Don't worry. I'm gonna improve and improve. Don't worry, all the results I'm keeping. So once we get version 6 going, we will have I'm working on something special with Hunter, chat. I can't talk about it too much, but we're basically gonna have rooms where you can walk in and actually go and explore the different projects that were submitted and stuff. Well, we'll get it done soon. Wait until I set up those challenge rooms, chat. We've already done two hackathons thus far. We got the 3rd one coming, and they always say 3rd time best time, chat. So I promise you 3rd time's gonna be a banger. And the prizes are probably gonna be bigger and bigger. Damn, Sam, I need to tap in to get one application published. I'll tap in soon with you. You might be our mobile guy, Sam. You might be the mobile guy. Yeah, future hackathon. But I want to give the old hackathon people also a shout out, chat. The ones that build projects already. Okay, for now, let's just get this project done. Is this one done? Alright. Next up, the video review page. Make sure that everything's working there. If needed, seed a couple of demo videos into the database. We have videos on the platform already, or should have. Make sure that all the videos are stored securely always when people want to view them, that everything works correctly. Get it done. Let me know when we can go to the next screen. Thanks, James. I appreciate that, man. We've been working on it since we started the stream 119 days ago. But we got a lot to do. Okay. This one, I don't understand why it keeps working like a slowpoke, chat. I don't know if you guys know the Pokemon slowpoke, but at this point, it's getting out of hand. At this point, it's getting out of hand. But I feel like it might be just this session, chat. I might have to start a new session for that client. Wow, that has no effect, Aldin. That's like the beer app from Steve Jobs 20 years ago or 15 years ago. The beer app. Yeah, just send me a DM on Discord, James. I have to find out. My nephew does the name changes manually. I got one name change scheduled for another homie, so just send it on Discord and I'll let it know. No problem, man. No problem. We're learning as we're going. And in the future, I might want to give the users 2 options to choose to change their name 2 times. Well, we could run that now. We have a little feature to build for the users on Dollar Vibe Club. I want them all to be able to change their username that is displayed on the Dollar Vibe Club platform. And once they change it, it should be locked in for 60 days. And then if they want, they can change it again, but it should be locked for every 60 days. And when we install this new feature, everybody should be able to update their own username if wanted. Let me know if you can get that little fix done, and let me know when I can pull and publish into Replit. Let me first check Replit chat that there's no outstanding commits to be done. Alright, Aldin. I might need to use yours because mine ain't showing yet. Only working 46 minutes. Let me check Dollar Vibe Club, Git, commit, registry trees. Same as on that Youngblood vibe. Sam's got that everlasting energy. Alright, so that we get to see their old username. Also, if they do change their name, be sure that the admin can always hover over it to be sure that they are not scamming anything. Or we should have a history or notification list that we can see what usernames they have been using. Nah, Sam, you're literally getting started, man. You haven't even put on your running shoes yet, Sam. I'm telling you, man, don't feel rushed. You've got the entire world on your feet, man. I tell my nephew every day, man, like, the pressure and shit I'm going through, like, he's gonna have it way easier when he's 40, if you know what I mean. So I tell you, man, you at the top of your game, man. Yeah, get that 4K, man. Get that 4K. I hope you got a demo ready for that client, no? Alright, let me publish. That should be good to go. And then let me run this agent and see if we can get him... Yeah, I've got a fourth agent here, but this is the slow one, chat. This is the slow poke. Exactly, Sam, that's the mindset, man. Don't stop till you got a million, man. The moment you got a million, the world becomes literally your GTA server in real life. You can spawn anywhere, Sam. You can literally spawn anywhere, man. Yeah, man, this won't be tripping, man. I could make it a bit nicer, chat. Oh, that's the smallest you can do it. Alright. Let me send the Discord link, chat. It should be on the website, plastered on the website. That'll also make more accessible, chat. I just got to get through the client work first, chat. You know exactly how it goes. Oh, actually, let me reply to that review as well. Let's see if she gave me a 5-star, chat. Oh, and I've got another brief, chat. I can send you another client request from... Here, chat, just got another brief 3 minutes ago. Here you go. While you do that, let me reply to my freelance review. And then I'll screenshot the review as well. I don't be paying for demos, homie. The demo's gotta pay me. The demo's gotta bring in money, Alden. The moment it brings in money, there's enough money to share. No, Sam, you're good. Don't worry, I'll get you clients without you having to donate, Sam. The next Dutch client that I get that I don't want to do, I'm going to send to you. And that's a good test for you, and then I'll guide you through the communication flow. All I need you to do is to care about the client. If I refer a client, really care about it, because it's my name on it, you know what I mean? So just care about your client, care about the work and the shit that you show your people. Just put your love and soul into it, you know what I mean? And I've already helped Dennis like that with 1 or 2 orders, so shout out to Dennis, man. Let me first reply to the review, chat. It was great working with Colleen on Milestone 3. The project is fully ready. I've done over 1,000 projects in my life. Hers was one of the top in my list. I like the social impact it could have. Good luck, Colleen, with the launch, and I am standby in the chat if you need me and here for any support. Thanks. P.S. Let's get the final bugs done, and if anything, just send me a message. Alright, so I typed that. Let me hit send. Chat, I gotta cross my fingers because you never know if you're gonna get a 5-star. You never know it. Let me cross my fingers. 5-star, chat. 5 stars in. Let me copy the review for you guys. Let's see what she wrote. Let's see what she wrote. Alright, chat. Let me hide her name. Chat, this was a 5-figure project. The client is over the moon. And I am going to work on several versions of this platform. I'm actually happy with this project, chat, because this is the only project of the few in life that I build that actually has a social impact. 5-star review, chat. Another amazing job completed by Tommy. Thank you. And if you're considering using Tommy, highly recommend it, chat. You know the fucking vibes, man. Put all your love and soul into it, chat. 5-star only, man. Nothing less than 5-star. And if you get less than 5-star, it's probably, if you get 500 5-star and 1 4-star, it's probably the person that's doing the review that's the problem. You know the vibes, chat. Let me post it on Discord. Do it for the love of the game. The 5 stars definitely give you credibility, Hackerhead. Because now, if I go to my profile, I should have an extra review on it. So if I refresh, and you'll see the review. And what these 5 stars, they get you in the algorithm, Hackerhead. The more 5 stars you get, the more viewers you get, the more people that order, the more trustworthy you become. So now we got 569, chat. 469, chat. You know the vibes. So I'm telling you, chat, this was from, let's go to most recent. Most recent was from before, from the United States, 7 hours ago, 3 to 4K. This is another amazing job, and it just gives you credibility. Hard Hacker, I had an agency 20 years before I did Fiverr. This is the most, I usually had to go into meeting rooms, Hackerhead, and prove myself and tell them the whole story again and again. Now all I have to do, oh, chat, F in the chat. Nah. No. No F in the chat. MacBook dying, chat. Let me put on the aircon. We should be good, chat. We should be good. We should be good. We should be good. Test. We should be good. Yeah. We should be good. So Hackerhead, if you hear me, let me know. But if I'm back, all right. So Hackerhead, all right. This one goes. So Hackerhead, if you're getting reviews, the more reviews you get, the better you get. Oh, chat, I think I'm running 3 codexes, and I think that's causing it to crash. We'll let this one run. That might be causing it to crash. Chat, you hear me? What's up, Azadine? Oh, my voice cracked. Chat, did you hear that? I hope you didn't hear the voice crack. Damn, chat, I sounded like a girl there. What's up, Azadine? Yeah, Adonis. Does that help when you build your own ADE? I definitely need that Mac Studio. I'm working on it. Chat, are we back? Are we back? We should be back. Nah, Alden, don't do that, man. Don't do that. So, Hackerhead, if you heard me, Hackerhead, you need the reviews to grow your profile, man. That's just the essential of it. The more reviews you get, the more profile you get. Ooh, I'm not happy with this design, chat. I'm already seeing it here. No, I'm not happy with this. No images, no floor pictures. No, that's why, chat. I don't like Opus anymore. No, that's bullshit. No, that's very disappointing, chat. That's very disappointing. Well, it did build a full room planner, chat. Look here. Looky here. The functionality is well pretty good, chat, I would say. The functionality is pretty good, but no design in it, you know what I mean? But look, the functionality is doing what it needs to do. Yeah, Bob, I agree. There's no feeling in it, man. I need feeling in it. I wonder if I say I need feeling in it, will it get it done? What's up, KG? Shit, man, KG. That's the first thing you say in chat. Codename Zulu, where you from, man? I'm not sure. I remember your name, I think. We know KG. Bob, what's poppin', man? Alright, let's tell it, Bob. I like the setup, but I need there to be some stank in it. What I mean by that is I need actual images in it to create the emotion, to make it look like a real brand that's ready to pop off. Now it looks like a sketch pencil drawing. I don't need that. Get it done? Let's put the baby in Fable, chat. Let's see if you put some stank on it, chat. My Elgato lagging, chat. You guys were gonna hear me spit on stream. Bob. Well, with a name like that, harsh, you got with a name like that, hardhead, you gotta listen to. Bob's gonna be the #1 name for all the AI agents. Chat. I seen Bob working on the factory line. Pause the codex. I gotta pause the codex, chat. I gotta pause the codex because it's crashing the system. It's crashing the system, chat. Let's not do that. I do need this one to continue working and this one can close. Alright. Chat, we should be back. I'll be right back. Thanks, brother. I've been here before. I was last time you was talking about your nephew. Yeah. Zulu, I remember that name. How did you... Bob. It's really straightforward, Bob. That's what we do. Eat, sleep, breathe. And one day, you'll be in my home, Bob. You'll be fixing my pull-up bar, Bob. I promise you. You'll be fixing my pull-up bar, homie. I promise you I'm going to put you to work. That's the shit you're going to be building for me, chat, once I get Bob. Yeah, man, Apple be tripping when it comes to submissions, chat, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know who they think they are, but they be tripping when it comes to submissions, chat. Get it done. I'll go to pro level vibe coding. If he doesn't get it done, chat, I'll tell him go pro level vibe coding. I do like the concept, it just looks too bland. I could sell this, chat. I could sell this. I think if I put feeling in it, I can sell it more. Yo, what's poppin', Jay? Jay, I'm gonna manage your username very soon, man. I just gotta get into the system. What's poppin', Jay? What you working on today? What you 404 in today, chat? What you 404 in, 404? Let me put you chatters in mission control for a second. No, it's a demo to get in a sale, hardhead. But I've already chatted with the customers so much, so I feel like they're on decision choice. Now I just got to pull them over the line with something beautiful. And that's why I want to have a video behind here. I want to have a feel in it, you know what I mean? So this is a demo. But usually my demos are way faster, chat. I'm telling you, not gonna lie. Usually my demos are faster, but right now, you know the vibes, man. Busy day, chat. I just woke up, 5:30 a.m. Oh, you're in Asia, I'm guessing, right, Jay? Where in Asia are you looking from? Where are you watching from, homie? Nice. Nice. People are telling me to visit Penang, chat. People are telling me to go to Penang in the next 20 days. Should we go to Penang, chat? What's there to do in Penang, chat? I'll always bring you, chat. I got the vlog camera now. KG, what's poppin', man? How's the weather out there in North Korea? You guys already got the latest models out there? The Kimi? You using the Kimi Jong-un? Chat, I'm probably never ever in my life gonna go to North Korea. So I get to fuck with the Kimi, with Rocket Man, you know what I mean? Alright, Hardhead. I don't know if I'll still be here, Hardhead. I don't know if I'll still be here, but I'll catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow it's gonna be me judging the viewer projects via tier list, and then adding that together with all the judges, the viewers, and then Thursday we announce the winner. So tomorrow I give my personal opinion, chat. But my opinion means shit. It's a group community voting, chat. Nice, nice, nice. Man, I think KG pretty settled. I think he living in the palace, chat, ain't gonna lie. I think he's living in the palace. I think he's got like his own palace, chat. I bet he's got like 5 wives and shit. 5 or 1 wife and 5 mistresses or some shit. Nah, I'd never do IRL streams. Aldin, I don't think that's for me. I would do vlogging. I do enjoy vlogging. I really enjoy vlogging. I'm actually missing it because I don't have anything to vlog, chat. I'm working and sleeping every single day. You know the vibes, Aldin. Team Real Hacker, what's poppin', man? Welcome to the stream. Don't hack me, please. Welcome to the stream, man. I've got a Real Hacker OG in the chat as well, so he's gone for a run now, but don't hack us, man. We're all love out here. What's poppin', Real Hacker? Where you from? 2 wives. Oh, KG Diddying. Anyone have some good show recommendations? I'm watching The Mentalist now with my girlfriend, but I want something personal. Homie had to make us jealous in the chat. Homie had to let us know that he had a girlfriend, chat. Damn, man. Homie mugging me right now, chat. Alright, I'll pretend I didn't read that, chat. Sem, there are some shows that I would advise you to watch, man. Arguably the best business shows. Well, in my lifetime, chat, the best shows that taught me how to speak. Boston Legal. Boston Legal with Alan Shaw. It's about lawyers and shit, and they learn you how to speak, how to argue cases and shit. I've watched that shit, I think, over 500 times, every single season, every episode. Right now, I would argue some good movies. Watch the McDonald's movie. Watch the BlackBerry movie. Watch the Facebook movie. Watch all the movies of the great platforms. Watch Ready Player One. Those are great watches to do when want to stay in vibe coding and stay in the mindset of hustling and making money. Watch Gold. Gold is one of my favorite movies, chat. That's when I was traveling. Man, before I decided to travel the world, chat, I watched Gold. And he's what made me partially travel as well, I would argue. Chat, my PC is lagging, man. you. I don't get to watch a lot of movies now, chat. Shout out to you, Sam. Then you know what vibe I'm on. I don't get to watch a lot of movies now, chat, but I do argue that movies probably taught me the most in life. A good show to watch is Entourage, Sam. If you want to get in that grinding enterprise, Entourage is a very good show. Billions is on my focus list, chat. Billions. Focus. Shout out to you, man. What's up, Allo W, man? Nah, Gold was a great movie, chat. I ain't gonna trip. Let me pause this agent here, because I think I still got him working. I think it's done, this one. Alright, I'm gonna publish it to Replit, chat, and you guys should be able to change your usernames in a few seconds, chat. And you get to change it once every 60 days, chat. So let this agent build. Let me push it to Replit. Allo, where you from? I don't remember seeing you, Allo. Let me open the Dollar Vibe Club browser, chat. One moment. Succession is on my list as well. That's about inheritance and business. That's on my list as well, for sure. I gotta watch that. Now, chat, to sleep. I don't really watch it, but I put it on in the background. I watch The Office. The Office is amazing, man. I'm just at the point where Michael Scott is starting the Michael Scott Paper Company, chat. Michael Scott is a vibe, chat. If I'm a boss, I want to be like Michael Scott, chat. Alright, Wilson. Welcome back, man. Your Wilson account is way more nice with a profile picture and everything. What's up, Aldin? F. Are we effing, chat? Are we effing? Yeah, we effing, chat. I might need your demo, Aldin, because I'm effing. Let's see if I can get the effing to stop, chat. Well, Aldin, send me your demo, then I can show it on stream. Let me see here if I can watch the stream, chat. One moment. Alright, it's looking good here. Me too. I'm just waiting for Claude, chat. If anybody got questions in the chat, let me know. Let me know. Tomorrow I'll be back, chat. Tomorrow we're going to do a competitor tier list for the hackathon. And it's my opinion only. So I will also be saying the final score will be given on Thursday. Probably. Damn, man. Elgato tripping. Everything tripping, chat. My stream lagging. Alright, we should be back. I'm feeling that we're back. Are we good, chat? Are we good? Let me hit you guys with an ad, chat. I didn't hit you guys with an ad yet. Let me know who gets the ad in 3, 2, 1. Let me know who's getting an ad and who's not. Damn, Alden, you playing, man. Timo playing with my life, man. Timo playing with my livelihood, chat. He not taking care of Alden. Shit, man. Let's see. Rendering done. Nah, I see I'm lagging, chat. I still see I'm lagging. Damn, Sam. You and Alden on the same team. What did I do to you guys? Nice, Prime. Then it might need to come still. Then it might need to come. Let me hit it one more time, man. But because it's streaming, it might not give it. Oh, I've been hit with an ad, chat. I've just been hit with an ad. Look, I can show you. Oh, we got an ad for Replit, for base 44, chat. Look, let me move out the way. Is it showing? Come on, focus, homie. Chat, I got an ad on the right side. Ah, that's all good, man. YouTube Premium, I get paid, Zulu. Thank you. Shout out to you, man. Chat, how's Alden's demo looking? Please send it to me, Alden. My demo is still burning. And I want to see yours because then I can send yours to the client. You know the vibes. What's up? Let me know. Welcome to the stream, man. You're popping in late. Hope you're all good. Let me know. Oh, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. Let me know I'm kidding. I'm calling you those two names, man. Let me know when I'm kidding. Yeah, Sam, everybody has to experience this. I'm going to put it full screen for you guys as well. There you go. You got to experience everything. Let me remove the chat here. Alright, Toonby, chat, Lion Dance and oh, what did they call that Disney film? With the 3D figurines, the prehistoric. I don't know the name. I'm doing amazing, way better now. I'm kidding, since I've been streaming because today's been a rough day. In real life type vibe, getting a lot of things done. Business has been great and the stream's been chill. Nobody in the stream on my nuts today, except for Sam and Alden, but I'll let it slide for them. But we're doing good, let me know. Well, I'm gonna call you, let me know, man. That's how I'm reading your name, man. Sorry, I'm, what do they call it? Dyslexic. That's what I see right here, let me know. And I'm kidding. Come on, open up the demo. Damn, he be playing crazy on this stream, chat. Stop. Alright, we should be good again. Published my website. Let me know if you can review it real quick. Sam, where did you send it? While we wait for Alden, did you send it to and this stream viewer? Learn content. I'm fucking with you, Sam. You're good. Yeah, I'm lagging, chat. I'm causing that. That's, I don't know, Claude. Right now I'm not even using codecs, so. Alright. This is built by Sem, chat. W's in the chat for Sem. You came for one story. It's 247. Alright. Alright. What I would argue, Sem, and I'm gonna show you a demo while I argue it, so that you can see what I mean. But one moment, I'm gonna see if Dollar Vibe... Well, I can't do Dollar Vibe Club now, so forget that. Give me one moment. I'm gonna show you Sem right now before I start talking. One moment. Let me log in. Sem, let me know if you still see me and hear me. My stream is giving errors, chat. My stream is giving big errors. You can clearly see it here, chat. I'm running into poor quality. I don't know what's going on. I'm not running anything crazy right now on the PC, to be honest. So I think it might be my internet, chat, because it's raining outside. Yeah, it's lagging, chat. I'm seeing loads of lag. Uh-oh, chat. We might be pushed offline. We might be pushed offline, chat. I'm sorry. If we're pushed offline, let me know. Oh, we're back. Test. Closed a few tabs. Let me close the other tabs on my desktop here. Are we back? Are we back, chat? I've only got one terminal open, chat. I've literally only got one terminal open. Man, that's crazy. I've got enough storage. One terminal open. I don't know what's causing it. But it's definitely my internet, chat. I know it's my internet. Yeah, we should be getting better now, chat. Maybe in a few seconds. We should be getting better. Wilson, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm testing while I was fixing my stream lag, man. Chat, don't call me money. Don't put that emoji, chat. No, I'm fucking with you guys. Okay, working fine. Sem, if you're in the chat, please drop a W so I know to talk to you. Alright, you're here. Okay, Sem, I want to show you. So before I say anything, let me open a project that I built and that I kept. And just let me say what I want to convey to your page. Again, just take it with 2 cents. I'm not the know-it-all. I just tell you how I approach these things when it comes to design and feeling and getting an audience captivated. You know what I mean? So give me 1, 2, 3. Now, I built a website application in no way, form or shape the same as what you've got, Sem. But this is the same criteria. So you kind of represent a bit of it feels like I'll come here and I'll get knowledge, but it feels a bit too vibe coded, if I may say that. There's not enough design in it, my opinion. This is a museum site, and you will see that everything, you could make it way more interactive with what you got. You're selling the people on the dream. You are talking about mythology and all that stuff. So basically, use all the artwork of mythology, generate all that, use it to sell the dream to people. This is also an application where people can go and visit museums virtually. This is going possibly to work out with a partner. And they have a different concept than you. They don't have a website, they have a landing page. No, I feel you, Sem. But I would say, like, just to visually sell it, I would like put screenshots here or some motion. Other than that, I like the idea. It's very clear for what I'm doing here. So I get to go into the rabbit hole, chat. And you probably should have called it rabbit hole. No, but I get to go into the rabbit hole at 2:47. Let's see the Google submission, chat. Is it not yet in the App Store, Sem? I would download it. But website is important if you want to do online marketing, Sem. I'm telling you, website is really important to get waitlists going, to gauge. I like it. It just feels dark, Sem. That's maybe my overall feedback, is it feels dark. It doesn't feel like I'm going to have fun So maybe you should put a hero banner with somebody in bed scrolling through their phone and learning shit. Alright, let me know. Let me know how it works out for you. Alright, Sam, let me know once it's published, man. We'll get to using it in the chat. Chat, I'll drop the link in the chat. Whoever wants to visit it and support Sam for some feedback, drop it to him. But again, light is better, I think, for conversions and tell a story, man. Try to tell a story. This is like, I've seen a million like these web pages, if you know what I mean, Sam. Sam, I'll give you a version that I made for a client for me. This is also just a landing page to push one application. But look at the vibes, it's completely different. It tells a story. It shows what's going to happen if I download the app. Homie's getting investors right now. He hasn't even launched the app and he's getting investors. Why? You're selling the story. You're selling the emotion involved in it. And now how is he getting people? How does he know his app is going to work? He's got already about 1,000 signups. And the app isn't even launched. That's why I'm telling you, Sam. Just focus on telling a story, man. I'll send you, I'll send you this one, Sam, so you can check it out. And that's just for one app. And that guy's in Los Angeles, Sam. So I know he's got investors out there. So check him. And I know he's a G because I built his application. I built his website. Alright, Aldin, I'm going to check now. Let me first check Aldin's Discord, chat. One moment, chat. Well, Sam, I'm telling you, that's why the app market is getting saturated. So come with very strong, powerful, unique ideas, Sam. But I'm telling you, it's possible. You can clearly see what I sold him has already made him more money than us arguing whether the landing page is good or not. You know what I mean? So just tell the story, homie. I think he's about to get 50k, chat. I don't know, man. The concept is great, Sam. I think you've got something on the concept. I would arguably want to white label the concept of you, Sam, and call it Rabbit Hole. And I would make it completely different. I would ask you to do the same logic, but just different branding. But that's just my 2 cents, chat. But get it in the store, Sam, and I'm going to be the first download. I'm going to support you as well. You know the vibes, man. Okay, Discord Aldin, one moment. Yes, chat, I see already that his is a million times nicer, chat. This is good, man. This is very, very good, man. Aldin, I could send this instantly. The only problem here is that I don't have it in Dutch. So you would have to run a Dutch version. Let's go to the building, chat. Very nice. This is gone the extra mile. He's made it movable. How do we pause it? It's glitching a bit. Yeah. Wow. If it's glitching for me, I gotta assume it's glitching for my client. But the landing page looks a million times better than mine, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, now it's better, chat. What's weird here is the blur edges. So if you look at what Claude built. Oh, chat, Claude's pulling up. Claude's pulling up. So if you look at it, he's glitching as well, chat. You see that? Yeah, he's glitching as well, chat. Okay, so I already see that this is not going to be an easy project, chat. I do like the one shot here. Alright, we'll figure that out. But I like the landing page, chat. I like the landing page. I like yours as well. I like your intro. Is beautiful, Aldin. If I was selling to an English client now, I would send yours instantly. No. For now, I would say nice job, man. I'm happy that you built with me. You did this in Codex. I love the color choice. But I'm gonna send him this chat because it's in Dutch and everything already. And I'll fine tune the demo off stream. But I like what you did, man. Don't let that mean that it wasn't nice. I love what you did. I swear to God. Alright, Aldin, I'll see. But I'm gonna send him this one. I'm probably gonna send him. Why? It was a bit more on par with what he asked. So let me send the example one more time, chat. Alright, so this is the sample that we had. And I think we should stick to the... I think, Alden, if you can publish it, I would love to send him 2 demos. But see that you go to this style and not 360. No. Let me know. This is just for fun. Just get a domain name and do it. This is just for fun. Alright, Azadin, get it finished, man. Let me know when it's published. I want to talk to mobile developers. I want to do something with mobile developers soon. Let's see. Well, we've got 3. I'll keep this open, Aldin, after. But I'm happy so far. I have to say I'm happy so far with Claude. I could get it pushed out very quick. I could make easy. I think a fair price for this, 7.5 for 8K. I think that's a fair price. I would have to look the own photo. That's gonna be hard, chat. I don't think the own photo is a good idea. Oh, I don't even know what TypeScript is, Sem. That's how dumb I am. Man. I don't even know what TypeScript is, chat. I probably do know what it is. I just haven't been checking it. I haven't been tapped in like that, chat. PHP, I know. HTML, I know. CSS, a bit of JavaScript. Very little. Very little, chat. Not even enough to talk about it. Chat, it's 5 AM. Let's see what we can order for food, chat, today. And let's get some food going. The stream is healthy again. We did lose a lot of viewers with that lag in chat, unfortunately. Yeah, Aldin, I think it's gonna be McDonald's, man. Either a burger or a pizza, but I had a pizza today. I'm finna go with McDonald's, chat. That's just fast, easy. Alright, let me order this, chat. I'll have a double cheeseburger. I'll have a Happy Meal with nuggets and a little Coca-Cola. And I'll have a Spider-Man toy, chat. No, I already got a Spider-Man toy. And I'll have nugget sauce, chat. Oh, there's no corn today, chat. Damn, that sucks. No. I didn't send ads, chat. Did I send ads? I don't think I sent ads, chat. Let me go to YouTube. I didn't do ads, chat. And what ads are you getting, chat? Is it all vibe coding? What's up, Wes? Nah, man, sleep is for when I retire. And that means I'm in my coffin, chat. I just take naps throughout the day, Wes. Naps have been my go-to to keep me looking young, fresh, healthy, avoiding the doctor. You know what I mean? Chat, I'm gonna get a McFlurry as well, man. Fuck it, I deserved it today, man. Fuck all that shit. I'm gonna get a McFlurry, chat. I'm not playing with nobody today, chat. Come on. Tell me you got that McFlurry going, man. Let me get some mayonnaise. And then let's get a McFlurry. Oh, chat, they don't got no McFlurries, chat. They're tripping, chat. Yeah, I didn't hit ads, chat. I set ads to manual and I didn't hit ads. Don't worry, you're good, you're good. Ah, damn, chat, they're playing with us, man. No dessert today. Pineapple pie and a corn pie. They're tripping, chat. I'll just get the patongo with condensed milk, chat. Can't I get chocolate dip as well? Yeah, alright. We got a full McDonald's order going. Let me get that priority delivery going, chat. Cutlery. Cheeseburger, double cheese. Happy Meal. Mayo. A patongo. Some mayonnaise and chocolate dip. Sorry, chat. If you're getting ads, I'm very, very sorry, chat. That is not my intention. I'm telling you that now. But let me order McDonald's. 3, 2, 1... Place order. Alright, Wes, you're good. Bless. I get paid by premium members anyway, automatic, Wes, so you're good. Yeah, sorry, chat. We gotta feed the future kids, you know what I mean? Oh, look what he did. He fixed it. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. We gotta code that after. Alright, chat, we got 20 minutes and then food's coming in. Then I'm gonna log out for the day. Let's see if we can get this demo done in 20 minutes. This motherfucker been working 36 minutes. Chat on my nuts, man, today. James, I'm gonna check your email later today, James. Alright, James, that looks interesting. Let's talk soon, man. We had something for the weekend running. But let's talk. I'll tap in with you. Let me check the YouTube. Replit is okay. Let me go home. Yeah, mine as well, chat. My codex is stripping these 2 days. I might be cheating and switching over to Opus, chat. And chat, it might be time to test. Kimmy, chat. Well, hello. I didn't want to order the muffin because I'm kind of. For me, this is dinner time right now. So I already had breakfast earlier today, you know what I mean? And I also already had a pizza, so I kind of want to get that junk food in so I'll get some good sleep, chat. I'm turning off all my phones tomorrow, so whoever's trying to call me or Fiverr me, let me sleep, man. I got some clients watching the streams. One day, chat. I'll be working all day, chat. Sleep and... No, we still got 20 minutes, woodchucker. I'm waiting for the food to be delivered. Let me see if I can show you without leaking my addy. Yeah, man. I can show you, chat. Without leaking my addy, chat. You should see. First, let me... Alright. I'm live so I can see. Okay, so you should see it now, chat. 5 to 20 minutes, chat. Oh, chat. I'm bad at sharing screen, chat. I don't know how it works. Hey, Sam. In Amsterdam, you got some good shit as well, Sam. In Amsterdam, I'd probably eat a frietje. A patatje oorlog, man. That's what I'm missing out here, chat. Hey, Aldin. It was all voluntarily, yeah? I'm just getting my... It was all voluntarily CoWork. It was all voluntarily. And I'll talk with Thibaut for you every day, Aldin. I'll talk with Tebow. Let me go to Tebow right now, man. Today, been performing really badly. It's spending hours and hours seeming like it's hallucinating and looping on the same simple task. For example, add this user to the database. Fix that shit. Uh-oh, it doesn't want to load Timo chat. Timo chat. Oh, my stream's crashing again, chat. Shit, chat, we're crashing again. Oh, wait. Tebow, it's Tebow, not Timo. Fucking Tebow. Chat, we should be... My stream shows that it's no data, man. Alright, I don't know if we're live, chat. We live? Man, it's time for the Mac Studio, chat. Shout out to you, Woodchucker. I appreciate that, man. I think the chat is the most important thing I'm doing on stream. I think every single person in the chat is the most important. Hello, out here it's 5:14 a.m. You can see that in my clocks on the top right. Nah, man, chat is... Without chat, I'm shit. Chat, without you guys, I'm shit, man. Well, then I've got my real life offline, you know what I mean? But I'm just saying, I consider my streaming life, you are my streaming gang, my streaming family, you know what I mean? Oh, we got 12 viewers in the CoWork chat. 13, nice. My streaming life. Oh, fuck. Double audio. Alright, let's test the update. I don't know if I'm still here for you guys, chat, but it seemed that was lagging a bit. Alright, I'm going to send him both, Aldin, and we'll see what he chooses. Ooh, shit, chat. Shit, chat, though. Shit, man. Aldin. Aldin, sorry. Aldin, if you can change this to a static image where only the floor changes. Aldin, fuck you, man. Aldin. Aldin, if you can change this to where only the floor changes, then I'm going to send yours and mine. And I'll let him choose. I'll charge 8 to 10k and we'll see what we can share of that, Aldin. I'll just take a commission if you build it then, you know what I mean? And then I'll consider you my co-worker. And I'll order it on your Fiverr. So you can't scam me because I'll give you a bad review if you do. And if you drop clips as well, I'll give you a bad review as well on Fiverr. If you drop clips. Chat, I'm just fucking. Exactly, Wood. Every app has to have the users as the backbone. Without your users central, you have nothing, chat. You have an app that you like. If you don't focus on your users in the application, you have an app that you like. You know the vibes, man. I'll give an honest review, and the good thing in Fiverr, chat, is that everybody is protected. So say that as a customer, if I'm really not happy, Fiverr will 100% deposit my money back instantly. Alright, Sem, send me a demo, man. Then I won't send the demo till tomorrow morning. And then we'll see who wants it. Nah, Sem, I'll leave this for Aldin. The next one's for you. Let's make that deal. I've got a second demo already, Sem, where you possibly could help me with. It's a Dutch client, so don't worry. Don't worry. Sem, make a demo for this one and I'll make a demo as well. And this is for the security containers. I haven't done the research yet, so I don't exactly know what he needs for containers. But again, chat, I'm telling you, no guarantee that the client's gonna order it. If he orders it and he chooses yours, I'm honest enough to give it to you and take my commission. And then you get your Fiverr orders, you know what I mean? PR, hey, PR. PR, it's voluntarily, PR. Come on, man, clap it up for the volunteers. But chat, I'm building the demo as well, so don't make it seem that I'm not. Alright, chat? I'm an honest lad as well. I'm an honest lad. Tommy just streaming. Heck yeah, review should be based off the problem The customer has. Exactly, man. Sem, if you send the one you want from me. I'm curious to see what you're building, by the way. Woodchucky, send me it over in the Discord so I can test it. If you send me on Discord, I'll test it. If you better... This could be a better business. Oh, shit, chat. I get excited. I'll be voice cracking. PR, this could be a good idea for the stream. Build my demo. The winner gets an order on Fiverr. That could be an amazing idea. Chat, I get 10 orders a day. Aldin, be careful. Chat, tomorrow we're going to launch ideas. Shout out to PR. PR gets credits for that. I'll hit you up with an affiliate permission, PR, because you brought that idea. That's a great idea. Let me just speak it into AI. Well, let me just note it down in my notepad real quick. New show. New show. Demo build on stream. Prize. You win the order on Fiverr. Build during stream. Send me a demo as per requirements at start. PR idea, and we'll take agency commission, and then the vibe coder just charges his price on Fiverr plus order plus review. Yeah, that's great, man. VC, why don't we call it VBGT? Well, VC, yeah. Well, VCGT is also good. Vibe coders got talent. Season 1. Turn demo builds into orders. Chat, PR, that's an amazing idea, man. He started, this could be a better business than a one-man agency. Absolutely. He started doing outsourcing where he gets paid and works. Absolutely. Great idea. Great idea for sure. I was about to go sleep when I heard what's going on here. That's a great idea, PR. That's a great idea. Shout out to you, man. I'm going to make sure you get paid, man. I promise you. Vibe Coder's got talent. Great. I'm going to steal that. Aldin, shout out to you. Send me what the customer want. We'll create. Well, everybody gets the same brief, right? I show it on stream. So let me show this one. This is just for Sem, chat. Only Sem can compete in this. Only Sem can compete, chat. Sem, make me something cool. Do research on security containers. I'm going to do the same research tomorrow. Screenshot this, chat. Screenshot this. Sem, this is for you. And Sem, this can turn into an 8 website project. So if you support me on this demo, I can get you 8 clients, but I will be your main client. I'll just orchestrate the client orders. I absolutely have to trust, so we will build a relationship, Sem. Let me definitely say, Aldin, PR, these are developers I know, Quad, they have been working long time, so I have to build some trust with you, Sem. But the trust is there right now, homie, so let's see. The demos will build the trust. But again, chat, this is fully voluntarily, so I can't pay demos because obviously I'm not getting paid for demos. But this is for Sem. Sem, screenshot it and then you have it. You might retire in 2 months if this would work. Well, Sem, we might have to create an agency and people... Well, that's Dollar Vibe Club. We're going to build it into the Dollar Vibe Club. They have to join Dollar Vibe Club or they don't get the brief. And we'll show the brief in Dollar Vibe Club. That's good. You guys could even work on it before we get to the stream. PR, thank you again, man. Kapung Kap. That's what we say out here in Thailand. Then Tommy AI automating all. Exactly, man. Pull out the orders of Fiverr. Push it to the platform. Users apply. Users submit. I got to finish it and test it once it works. Alright, Wood. PR. 12 a.m. bangers. Banger ideas. That's when the best ideas come in, chat. When it's midnight. I want to give it a try. That one's for Sem only, Prime. I'll start this idea tomorrow. I get orders every single day. Aldin, this is why I work where I work some decent money. This is why I work where I work some decent money. Hey, Aldin already telling me what the commissions are. Now we gonna tap PR in. PR has been, I consider PR a founder, chat, no cap. He doesn't even know it, but he shoots his ideas all the time. What's up, Easy? We just had a breakthrough on our stream, man. PR just came with a banger show information, chat. Banger. Copyright. We got it first here, chat. That's good. I've got 10. Now I can service at least 10 to 15 client requests a day, chat. In my own, I'm only able to do about 5 a day. That's all the information you got, Sem. That's how Fiverr works. You gotta come and you gotta make all the moves. There's no, in this day and age, Sem, we don't waste time on jibber jabbing. We do the work for the client. We come with the ideas. Same as this. Aldin built an entire Dutch website. He just got the same brief as you, but for furniture, let's say. No, that's how it goes in the real world. Some people don't. Those are only bees that talk about, oh, but I need this. Nah, they trust you, and that's why they order you, Sem. Come up with something cool, man. That's the game. I feel you, man. Let's get the studio going. PR. I'm about to log burger coming in 15. All demo data. You use demo. Find anything that stops you from creating it. Just use demo data. Just put it on whatever security container dot or whatever security strat. You know what I mean. Well, you don't have to, Sam. I'm gonna build the demo either way. You don't have to. I'm just saying. This is a great idea. I'm gonna have to organize it a bit more, but PR, shout out to you, man. This is gonna change the stream probably for August. We needed something, chat, that August we can make a lot of people rich in August. A lot of people be working and getting paid, you know what I mean? I charge 5 figures. If I can get 2 bandos of that, then you guys got 8K, 6 to 8K to play with a month, USD, per project, I mean. Alright, man, I'm about to end anyway, chat. Damn, man, PR got me hype. Chat, the fucking stream's lagging. Let me pause this. Let me just pause this and let me close Claude. Well, Woody, I'm a shout out to you, man. I definitely have to get to know you. But the trust is there because I know you know the homie Mike. So the trust is there, man. And whenever I give mod chat, I always say with great power comes great responsibility. So welcome to the gang, Wood. Welcome to the gang. PR, I just wanted to say I hope I'm not lagging anymore. I'm a little still lagging, chat. There, man. Anyway, chat, let's see. Aldin, if you update it, update me in Vercel so that I can see the new builder. Then I'll send it to the client and we'll tap in tomorrow. PR, I want to thank you again for that idea, man. That idea was very, very, very good, PR. And let's push it for the month of August. So tomorrow I'm going to come on stream with 10 projects for everybody to choose out of. I've got already open offers running. And those are all 5 to 10K projects, chat. So I appreciate everybody in the chat. I don't know if I'm lagging, chat, so I'm just going to do my outro. But you know the vibes. KG's got his finger ready on the button. So whoever abuses mod powers, you will be striked down by KG. KG's not playing. He never says hi. He's just lurking in the chat. And when he says something, chat, you better be ready. No cap, man. Let me share the stream one more time with you. I think we're good so you guys see the chat as well. Done and pushed. All right, let's see it. All right. This looks amazing. I know I can show this demo. We're going to have to fine tune it once the client pays us, Aldin. But I think we can get this sold, Aldin. I'll see how it flows, man, and I'll let you know. No worries. Idea is worth exactly. Well, we're going to execute it together, PR. You, me, we can host, we can judge projects, we can see how we can automate it. I don't know all the automation side. Yep, we got McDonald's coming in. Hackerhead, welcome back. Hackerhead, we just hit a massive idea that could help everybody's Fiverr profile. So come back tomorrow. I'm a talker and share some ideas with PR, but we just had a massive idea for the viewers. And that could really grow. And I'm only going to do it with people that I know are valid vibe coders, chat. I have to know that. Like, I trust PR, I trust Aldin, I trust Hard Hacker, I trust Hunter. The rest I've got to get to know step by step, chat. It's like a relationship, alright? And as soon as I trust you, Dennis, I trust now with every client that I send, chat. Denny's his facts and calamities in the chat sometime. Him, I know if I send it, he's going to treat it like it is his own customer. So, okay, chat, let me just change the stream. My food is about to come in, so let me organize it. Chat, amazing stream today. I'm so happy I went live. I wasn't going live today. I had a stressful day, let's call it that. One of those days, chat, Trap Tuesday. I'm happy I came live. It gave me a whole new live again. You know I say it every day. Tomorrow I'm going to be back, chat. Tomorrow I'm going to rate all the hackathon projects via tier list. That is not yet the announcement of the winners. That's just my point of view of rating. Hunter is always also going to rate the viewers on his stream from his point of view. Then we're going to ask PR to rate. And then we're going to ask 2 other judges to rate. Thursday we announce the winners. But tomorrow we're going to drop the idea of becoming an agency, chat. It's time we level up. PR is, PR, what role do you want, man? CTO? PR is the CTO of the agency, chat. We're going to take Dollar Vibe Club to an agency level. Dollar Vibe Club agency, we're hiring this week, chat. You know the fucking vibes. And we're hiring on freelance basis. That's how it works in the real world. Chat, I'm very, very excited. I'm not going to be sleeping for the next 5 hours again. Thank you for that, PR. Thank you for that, Aldin. Aldin, if you wouldn't have built this demo, I wouldn't have belief in it. But you blew me away with this, so I could send this to a client and get 8 to 10k for it easily. We might have to push it down 7 to 8k if we really want it. And that just depends how bad do we want it. But thanks for inspiring me, guys. I'm happy that I'm getting inspired, man. This was the whole reason of coming to the stream, setting up the community. Let me show it one more time, chat. This is what Aldin built. This is his version. And the nice thing is it's completely different from my version. This is a trendy rich people wooden floor. This is a bit less rich people, more mass production. So let's just send them both to the client and see what the client is willing to work on. This is a great idea, man. And I can take on 10 times more clients than in the past. Alright, chat. You know what I say. Thank you for joining the stream today. Peace on the streets, chat. No fucking fighting. And keep vibe coding. Sem, shout out to you as well. Shout out to Woodchucker as well. And shout out to Mike. I gotta say it one more time. Keep vibe coding.